Hey y'all, so today we are going to make cyclohexylamine. It has a CAS number of 108-19-8. It has a molecular formula of C6H13N, a molecular weight of 99.17 grams per mole with 1 degree of unsaturation. It has a functional group of a primary amine, a melting point of -18 degrees Celsius, and it also has a boiling point range of 133 to 134 degrees Celsius. All the carbons are sp3 hybridized, so no carbons have any pi bonds. It has one heteroatom nitrogen. All the carbons that are included in this have a CH2 bond or a CH bond. So for the purpose of this video, this white magnet will represent our nitrogen bond, which is the heteroatom. These black magnets are going to be our carbon bonds. We have 6 of those, and then we have 13 white magnets, which are our hydrogen bonds. So we're going to start off with 2 carbons, and then we're going to attach the third one, and we're going to start making it appear to be the hexane. So as you can see, it has 6 carbons, which make up the hexane, and then we're going to attach the nitrogen on this primary amine. That's going to be our primary amine right here. Our primary carbon. It's going to have 2 hydrogens attached to it because hydrogen likes to have 4 bonds, and so with this it will be 3 bonds, and then so we're going to add this last white hydrogen right here. And this is going to be our CH carbon that I was talking about earlier. So for the rest of these, we are going to attach 2 hydrogens because the rest of these are going to be our CH2 carbons. So this is our end product. This carbon is our primary amine. It's attached to our primary amine. The rest of these carbons are our CH2 carbons because they have 2 hydrogens attached to every one, which will satisfy carbon's 4-bond rule. And then the degree of unsaturation is going to be this ring-shaped hexane group right here.